Wow guys, Merry Christmas! Look at this over here. Tingnan nyo po ang aming paligid dito. So white. So talagang white Christmas kami dito ngayon sa Tennessee. Merry Christmas everyone! So I'll gonna show you around over here mga palangga. Oh, ara ang amon nga white Christmas diri sa buong sa Tennessee. I'll show you around here. It's a little bit cold here. Okay, hold on. I have to makita. Hold on guys so that I can see it. It's cold here. Whew. Live na kay para ano nyo. Share. Oh Lord, so cold here. Last Christmas, I give you my heart. So, malibot kita dari mga palangga sa among. Hold on, Teddy. Woo! Christmas won't be the same without you. So, may nidiri ang Christmas naman sa buong. Tingnan nyo po ang Christmas. Oh, sobrang lamig. I'll show you around. Hey guys, this is now our Christmas here in Tennessee. Careful, Holly. Come on, play, play, play. Come on, Teddy. Come on. Okay, look at our dogs, Holly and Teddy. They're enjoying the snow. Oh my Lord, it's so windy and so cold here, guys. Last Christmas, I'll give you my heart and the vote. Amon nga mga I'll go over here, guys, at the front para makita nyo ang snow dito sa amin. Careful, guys! Oh, ayan, ayan. So cold here right now, guys. Mga manok namon Hold on, hold on. You stay there, guys. Stay there. I'll check the chickens here. Stay there. So, tingnan ko po yung mga manok namin. Kung no, stay there. Not going in here. Para ang mga ano. Oh, look at this. They're also cold. Hey, chickens! How are you guys? They are also cold. Oh, ayan. Hey, how are you there? Are you cold too? Huh? Are you cold too? You don't want to go out. I think the chickens are cold too. So this is it here now, guys. White Christmas here in Tennessee. Lamig-lamig. Hey, Holly, come here, Holly. Holly, over here. Get out. There you go. Thank you. Teddy, come on. Let's go, Ted. Hey, Teddy, come on. Back out. Come on, let's go. Teddy. Let's go, Ted. Bye. Teddy, no. Teddy, come here. I'm gonna give you a treat, Ted. Teddy, come on. Come on, here. Teddy, stop. Teddy. All right, bye. You stay there. You stay there. Holly. Okay, so may nidiri ang amon nga snow sa buong mga palangga. Oh, so cold. Really, really cold here right now. So I'm just showing you around here. don't think I can stay longer here outside. It's just so windy and so cold right now here, guys. Alright. But I just want to show you around here. Na, 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 na. Oh my! I hope I will not slide here. Da, 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 in the very next day. Da, 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 ayan po, snow dito. Covered is snow everywhere. La, 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 da, 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 da. Ayan, covered by snow. Ayan. Da, 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 da. Saan di ka makadto, kahit saan ka pupunta, malamig na malamig talaga. I don't want to step over there kasi maslide ako. Okay guys, la 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 la, woo, turun, na. Kita ko dari bilang akon nga no. Oh Lord, so hard guys. This is it here now, guys. We have really white Christmas here right now. Hello, Merry Christmas, everyone. And ang mountains, palibot namon dire, so white. Na green. So everything is covered by white snow, mga palangga. Oh my! It's so windy here right now. I don't think you want to stay outside because of the wind. Oh, last Christmas, I'll give you my heart, and the very next day, ano ko bala? I-share ko para makita. So, Merry Christmas, everyone! Malamig. Just white everywhere here right now. Maligayang ating ano. Kami maghampang sa ano, sa snow. Oh my Lord. Snowballs.